Hello everyone, welcome to today's video lecture. In this session, we will be exploring character tags and attributes of body element. So character tags are the tags that are applied to an individual character, okay? And these tags are the container element, that is, it includes both opening tag and closing tag. Okay, these tags are character tags are characterized into two categories, that is physical tag, and the second one is logical tag. So physical tags, you can see the examples here: bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, etc. So physical tags are the tags that are used to apply the special formatting effects to the enclosed text. Okay, that means these tags control the physical appearance of the text on the web pages. Okay, but logical tags are the tags that are used to define the uh, meaning or content they include, what they include. Okay, so logical tags are used to define the structure and meaning of the text content on a web page. Okay, so logical tags help in giving semantic meaning to the text, and it also helps in enhancing the accessibility and readability of the web pages. Okay, so it makes easier for the browser and search engine to interpret the information. Okay, so the main advantage of the logical tag is that they emphasize the purpose, and the different examples of logical tags are EM tag, code, abbreviation, and variable, definition. These are the different logical tags. Okay, so let us see how to use these logical tags in a web pages. Okay, so for this we will open Notepad. Right here HTML. After that we include title tag, learning to use start body tag. Okay, so here we will use different logical tags like EM. Okay, for example, first use paragraph tag, and then we will write this is important point to note. Okay, we close paragraph tag, save this. Article.html. We will execute this code. You can see here this is the important point to note which has been displayed on the web pages. Now we will use EM tag. Okay, let's see the effect of EM tag on the content. Let's write EM here, and then it's a container tag. Just close this EM tag. Okay, and control S. Okay, just refresh it. Now you can see the important word has been displayed in the italic. Okay, so it means that a character should be emphasized in some way, and it displays usually display in italic word. Okay, so emphasis is meant to indicate that the text has a stronger meaning or importance as compared to the rest of the tag. Okay, so whenever we will use em tag, the output will be displayed in italic. Okay, now let us see code tag. We'll use another paragraph tag. Just write function to display in Python. We just close paragraph tag. So all the logical tags are the container tag. So whenever we will open the tag, we have to close also. Okay, let us see the effect on the browser. You save it and then we'll just refresh it. So you can see the output of the font of the print word. Okay, so it will indicate a sample of the program code, and it is usually displayed in the Courier font or similar font that allows the same width to each character. Okay, now we'll use another logical tag like abbreviation. Okay, so abbreviation tag uh, defines an abbreviation or an acronym in the HTML document, and this tag can be used with the title attribute, which will display the meaning to the of the abbreviation. Okay, so let us see how to use this abbreviation tag. It is used with the title attribute. Title is equal to hypertext markup language. Okay, and just write the acronym here, HTML. Okay, then close abbreviation tag. Save it and let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, so you can see the expansion of this acronym hypertext markup language whenever we hover the mouse over this acronym. Okay, so abbreviation tag, this tag is used to define an abbreviation or acronym. Okay, when you hover over an abbreviation, you can see the full description of the uh, acronym is displayed here, like hypertext markup language. Okay, so whenever there is a need to expand or describe the acronym, you can use the abbreviation tag. Okay, now let us see the different attributes of the body tag. So first we will see BG color. Okay, and you can see the different attributes of the body element like background, basic color, text, link, a link, v link, and margin. These are the different attributes of the body tag which are used with the body tag only. Okay, so this background tag is used to background attribute is used to set the background image of a web page. As you can see, the background color of a web page is white in color. It's the default color. So if you want to change the background color, you can use background color BG color attribute. And if you want to change the set the background picture, you can use background attribute with the body tag. And this text attribute is used to change the text color of the whole web page. Okay, so text attribute will change the font color. And then link, a link, and way link attribute. So as you know, the hyperlinks are the highlighted text segments or images that connect to another web pages on the web page. But when you hover your mouse pointer over the link, it gets highlighted and the shape of the pointer changes to a hand shape. So by default, the hyperlinks are underlined and have a specific color, and the default color of the active link is blue. So these are the different attributes that are used with the body element, and through this we can change the link color. We can set the link colors with the help of link, a link, and v link attribute. Okay, and these are the different attributes of the body tag. They are used to control the colors of the hyperlink displayed on the web pages. Okay, so link attribute is used to specify the color of the unvisited links in the web pages, and the default color of the link attribute is blue. Okay, so we can change the default color with the help of link attribute. We'll use this link attribute with the body tag. Okay, and then a link is the active link. When you close the website that has been already opened or visited by you, then uh, if you then you can see the link color changes to a purple. Okay, it means that the website connected to the link has already been opened and using the link. And whenever you open the website containing the link until the history is erased, the link appear in purple only. Okay, so you have to use this a link attribute with the body tag only. Okay, then link is the it will define the color of the link after it has been visited, and when you close the website that has been opened using a link, and if you go and see the link, you will see that it will be in purple color. That means the website connected to the link has already been opened using the link. Okay, so this link attribute will also be used with the body element. Okay, now the last attribute is the margin. So what is margin? Margin refers to the blank space left from the edge of the paper. Okay, so HTML provides different types of margin to set in a web pages, like top margin, left margin, bottom margin, and right margin. Okay, so let us see that use how to use these attributes one by one. Okay, so we'll continue in the same web page. Here we'll use, this is the body tag, and here we will be using all the attribute discussed just now. Okay, so first we will see the BG color attribute. BG color. So as you know, BG color attribute is used to change the background color of a web pages. So we can use and you know the default color, or by default the web page background color is white, and it displays the text in black only. So we can use BG color attribute to change the background color of the web pages. Okay, so just write here color name, or you can use hexadecimal code or RGB code. So I am writing here only the color name like red. Okay, after making changes we have to save every time. Just save it and then with the browser and just refresh it. So you can see the red color of the web page. Okay, so like this we can change the background color of a web page. Okay, you can change the color here. Just change color name here and save it. Control S. By pressing Control S we'll save the last modification, and then just we'll do a refresh here. So every time you can change the background color of a web pages by using BG color attribute and giving this value here. Okay, so BG color is the attribute and yellow is the attribute value. Okay, so this is the attribute name and this is the attribute value. So we can change the background color of a web page by using BG color attribute. Now suppose you don't want to change set the background color, you want to change you want to set the background image in a web page. So if you want to set the background image, then you have to use background attribute. Background attribute is used to set the background image in the web page. Background is equal to, we have to put equal sign, and then here we have to write the complete path of the picture file. Okay, so we have to open the picture file here. Just right click over here, then go to properties. Here just copy the location of the picture, Control C, and then Control V, just paste the path, and then again copy the type of file, just paste over here, and then just save it and do a refresh here. You can see the background flower as a background image. So like this you can change the background image, you can set the background image in a web page. Okay, so for this you have to use background attribute, and then you have to write the complete path here. Okay, so you have to put the path of the image here, image file where the image is in your system. You have to copy the path and you have to paste the complete path with the extension, along with the extension also. Okay, so background attribute is used to set the background image in a web page. Okay, now we will see another attribute, that is the text attribute. Text attribute is used to change the text color. Okay, save it and again do a refresh here. And you know the text color of a web page is, by default the text color is black. So if you want to change the text color of the whole document, then you can use text attribute in the body tag. Okay, so this attribute specifies the color of the text in the document. Okay, so here you have to use text attribute and you have to give the value here. Okay, this is the attribute and this red is the value. Okay, so like this we can change the text color of a web page. Okay, now we will use link, a link and v-link attribute. So for link we have to use anchor tags. First here we have to make a link. For this we will use anchor tag href is equal to, you have to just copy the path of the file, one of the file here, open it, choose another file, this one, not HTML. Control C, and then just paste path here, and again you have to write the file name, so it's better to copy and paste to avoid any mistake. Control C, and then paste the name of the file here. Control V, and then inverted comma close, and we have to create a hypertext here, like this is just a example. Click here. Okay, then anchor tag is a container tag, so we have to close it and then just check it. Okay, so just when you click on this, it will open a new web page because we have linked the both the pages. Okay, so now you can see the back link color is of blue color. So now we have to change the link color. So we can change the link color by using link, a link, and v link attribute. Okay, so just write here link is equal to, if you want to change the link color blue to green, just write green here and then save it. Control S. Okay. Now v link a link is equal to link is equal to blue. Change in the color of the hypertext. Okay, so like this, you can change the hypertext color. So for this, you have to use a link, v link, and link attribute. These are the attributes of the body tag. Okay, now you can set the margin also. Okay, so margin is the distance between the written text and the edge of the paper. Okay, so here we have to change the margin. We have to set the margin here, right? So for this, we can use margin attribute in the body tag. Okay, right? If you want to change the top margin or left margin, just right here, left margin. Then is equal to just write the value in the pixel. Okay, so left margin attribute is used to set the left margin of a web page by leaving some blank on the left side. Okay, so it will set the value 100 pixels. It will leave the 100 pixel space from the left side. Okay, just save it and let us see the change in the web page. So you can see the margin, left margin space and the web page. Okay, so like this we can change the top margin also. Just write top margin equal to, just write the value in pixel here. Then increase or decrease the margin space according to the requirement, according to the need. Okay, just save it and simply just as usual you have to just do a refresh. So like this we can set the margin of the web page. Okay, like this we can change the right margin and the bottom margin also. So because there is a very small piece of text here, so the right margin and bottom margin will not be displayed. It will work, but it will not be displayed as the text are very small or less here. Okay, so like this you can change the margin of the web page. Okay, so now at the end we will close body tag and then we'll close. So that's all for today. In the next class we will move to the next tag, that is the empty tag. And if you found this lesson helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.